So I thought, why not? Let's go to the Dollar Tree or the $1.25 tree or whatever it is. See what they got. Halloween. Oh, look. The key. Neat. Candy. I need to start buying some candy now. Last year I spent like almost $200 and ran out in no time. So I think I need to start getting some now. And right next to the Halloween is Christmas stuff. And fuzzy socks. And more Halloween stuff. Ooh. That would be neat for me to give out candy in. Okay, the $3 tree. Yeah, I like this aisle. Ooh, very colorful. That's neat. Toys. Hot Wheels. I used to collect those when I was little. Yes, I did. I had a ton of them. And I don't know whatever happened to them. More Halloween stuff. Ooh. Oh yeah. Ooh. Okay. Oh my gosh. Thing. Ooh, nice. Christmas stuff. Ooh. Yep, it's right around the corner. Pretty. Doggy stuff. Hair stuff. Automotive stuff. DIY stuff. All kinds of stuff. Hey, I bought some of these. These are good. Check them out. Craft stuff. Makeup stuff. Tooth stuff. Hey, these are the best. These right here. They're really good. Vitamin stuff. HBA stuff. Baby stuff. Hair stuff. Drink stuff. Food stuff. Oh my gosh. Never seen that before. Iced coffee. I'm very tempted. Very tempted. But I won't do that because it's got 130 calories. I could have a Red Bull for 120, a big Red Bull. Oh, candy stuff. Snack stuff. More snack stuff. Instead of Pop-Tarts, they call them Toastums. What would you call those? Food preserver stuff. Yeah, storage stuff. Frozen stuff. Cleaning stuff. Smell good stuff. More cleaning stuff. Toilet stuff. Laundry stuff. Dish stuff. Cooking stuff. Neat. Sale stuff. Those are cute. I like those big cups. So there it was, our journey to the Dollar Tree, or $1.25 tree, or whatever it is.